What's up, everyone? Another episode of Clark Smith Adventures. We are in the neighborhood of Eagles Walk, I think, or Eagles Landing at Water's Edge in Belcamp, Maryland. Nice townhouse community. Hopefully everyone's doing good. Got my sidekick, Ravenna. My little girl. My little 13-year-old Dachshund Chihuahua mix. She's crazy. She's crazy. Beautiful homes. Now these townhouse communities, I wouldn't mind living in. I wouldn't mind it. They're nice, 3-level. Wonder how much these go for. Today is a perfect day to film too. It's gorgeous. I hate filming when it's raining. I hate filming when I don't really like filming at night either because I'm blind as it is. I wear glasses. And for me to film, shit, I can't see shit anyway. People are like, well, why are you driving? I mean, I can see, but damn. Sometimes I can't. Raven, sit down. Gotta go. 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 Golden Eagle Way. Eagles Point at Water's Edge. Eagles Point. Belcamp, Maryland. Oh my God, these people are following me. That is like a no joke speed bump right there. No joke. These are nice. 2-car garages. 2-car garage. As to say, keep out. Oh, cute little, park. Cute little park. Cattails. Or how they say. I hate that word, pussy willows. People think it's hilarious when they say that. It's like, ugh. It's so tacky. Dude's like, what are you doing? You're filming. See, it's really nice back here. Stop it, Raven. whispering. Oh, Domino's. 30 minutes or less. I don't think they do that anymore because like people were like getting into accidents trying to get their pizza there in 30 minutes. That was like years ago. Domino's, baby. Domino's, baby. Alright, well that was it. Not really that impressive. Shit, gotta go. Oh, God, Jesus, Lord. Alright, y'all. Well, thank you for being on the little trip with me. I appreciate it. I appreciate everyone's support, likes, comments, shares. Nobody shares my videos, really, but just being there for me on my little journeys. Alright, so everyone have a wonderful, fabulous weekend, and on the next video.